What is going on YouTube? I'm finally getting it done. I'm about to get the back windows blacked out on my Chevy Colorado. I know this is something I've been talking about for a while, and today is today. So I'm getting this done first thing in the morning. It's a rainy day in the Carolinas, so this is something that is long overdue. So I thought about getting the front tinted out as well, as far as getting 5% done on the front, and it will be a ceramic tint all the way around, but I decided against it, just simply because of visibility at night. So I want to be able to still be able to look out and be safe when I'm driving at night. So I'm going to just get the back two windows along with the very back portion of it where the slider is done. So we're here at my favorite tint place, and they're going to allow me, it looks like, to video it while he starts it up. And so we're going to see how this thing goes. And again, like I said, I'm going to take you through as much of this process as I can. So hold on, guys. going on YouTube? I'm back. I just got everything done. I actually got the back tail lights done. He was able to fit that in with that. Before he was a little skeptical about it because this was going to be his first time doing it. But just look how this truck turned out. He smoked out. I decided to go with a smoked out look on the tail lights. I think that was a great decision. Like I said, I got the back windows redone, so it looks good. I'm standing outside of a shop here in North Carolina, between Freeway and Raleigh area. I mean, but that tint on there just looks absolutely amazing. It just really sets off the truck. I'm gonna step back a little bit so you can take a look at it. Sorry for the road noise. Like I said, I'm still on the outside of a shop, but man, that just looks really incredible. I think it really gives the truck another good look. But those back tail lights, that's what I'm most proud of, because I really struggled being that they don't have any aftermarket tail lights right now. And that has been like my thing of like really getting this thing blacked out. But just look the difference that make with it being blacked out. Especially, again, that privacy that I get now when people are in the back seat of my truck, or just giving people the inability to look inside of my truck from the rear. So just look at that. That looks so freaking good. I am so happy that I made the decision. And just so happens he was here and he took a look at the back tail lights, and I told him the issues I was having with it, getting someone to tint it or even getting anything at the market. And I said he was more than willing to try, and I'm telling you, it just gives the truck a really mean, aggressive look. So YouTube, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I'm gonna have his information posted on here too with his banner. So if you're in the Raleigh, Cary, Freeway, Andrew area, please hit this guy up. He does amazing work, him and his staff. So I see you guys in the next one.